That's so funny.
It's like a dog chasing it. Yeah. And I just dropped it. Wow, how can I stop?
That's pretty funny.
Alright, Stripes, I'm going to have to clean your closer now. So if you mind.
Alright, Nicola, that's probably good enough for the night.
This is Farm Girl in Progress. I'm just doing a turkey update, and they're doing very good. It's Stripes and Snarrock. So let's get to it. There they are, and they're doing very good. Yeah, and they're doing a wonderful time outside. They follow me everywhere. They call for me. They follow me. Stripes really loves dandelions. I'm going to show you. Oh, show you. All right, wait for it. Eat the dandelion. Ow. Yeah, so he really likes it. He's still plucking. And hi, Snarrock. She's Snarrock. She's my pretty one. Stripes has been impressing his feathers a lot, and so see you on the next. This is Nikolai. So this is pretty much the end of my video. So like and subscribe. See you on the next time. Give us a thumbs up and grow where you're planted. Bye. One more show for my turkeys. So say bye, Stripes. Bye. Say bye, Snarrock. Bye. So bye. Hi everybody, this is Nikolai and we're going to do a turkey update. Alright, so stay tuned and subscribe. So here they are, guys. Snark has been acting weird. She has been breathing heavy and her wings have been droopy and hey! And her tail has been laid down and Straps is trying to mate with her. She's not ready. Jeez, big guy. Straps over here, he tried to attack Desmond on the swing. He got all big and then did his wings all up and then tried to attack him. And so this is the end. So see you later.